I was thinking to do claw set, but I actually think rub over set is going to suit the design better. Small size half rounds. Get it on the end, be careful not to slip off it because you round off a little bit of the metal. You just cut through it, tighten up again, cut through it, tighten up again. Just keep going until the join's really nice. But then bear in mind, you are making it smaller every time you do that. Yeah, otherwise just tap it in there, just gently. Just work on it, just gently to get it a little bit narrower to match that. The bottom one is just going to be attached to the bar and only hinged from the top. So that can go solid in there. I think just soldering that on isn't really strong enough. I know you could do it and it'll be fine, but there's a stronger way. We're going to cut a little section out, slot that in, and then that's going to be really strong. And what I do is I'm kind of doing this as I move it along and then back, so I am literally like rifling it. Be careful when you're going in and when you're going out as well, because there's a danger of making it thinner in one section. Et voila, a nice neat looking little collet. It's going to sit nicely on there. Yes sirree. But just bending that round quite gently, making sure each row goes tight to the one you just wrapped. So with that, the time you spend getting that little line on there can actually work faster because I can just confidently phrase right up to it and knowing I'm not going too far. Can you see what we got now? Cut that little step down. Got that groove in there. Now we want that going in there. A tiny amount of solder. If it wedges in a little bit strong, that's going to help you out. Okay, we got it, we got it, we got it, we got it. I've got a pen in my hand, holding that in position. I just look straight down on it and then put a dot right in the middle. Tidy up that solder joint a little bit. From the initial sketch to the finished piece, here we are. Yeah, I really like this. It's a bit of movement. Quite cool, makes it a bit more sparky. Because if you've got nice diamonds and they've got a sparkle, if you've got a bit of extra movement in the pendant, helps them sparkle more while it's being worn with just the movement of the person wearing it. Diamonds are all flashy, so quite a cool piece.